Poem. Every yes is a no. By Amenah. Mom, whenever you visit my beautiful house, do remember that every yes is a no. If you are stopped at the door by a statue, that's my soup house. Do remember, every yes is a no. If you see a darkest room, just come here, that's mine. If you see a bud blooming, don't get mistaken, that's not fine. Do remember, every yes is a no. You would ask me, are you fine? I would say, yes, mother. You would ask me, are you happy? I would say, yes, mother. But do remember that every yes is a no. Do you get beaten? No. Do you get abused? No. Do you want me to leave? Yes. But do remember that every yes is a no. And every no is a yes. Whenever you visit my house.